Ever wondered how to bypass geoblocks, automate accounts, or protect your privacy online? In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through Proxy For You setup, features, and best practices. Let's dive into this. This is Proxy For You, and you're probably wondering what it is. A proxy basically acts as a middleman for your device and the web, masking your IP address. The use cases of this are vast. You've got web scraping, ad verification, geo-testing, SEO tools, and multi-accounting to go along with that. And Proxy For You provides residential, data center, and mobile proxies. All of this is rotating and with sticky sessions. Right now, they have over 5 million IPs in 195 different countries. As well as that, they have some of the cheapest prices out there on a pay-as-you-go model, so you don't get any secret prices you don't know about. Now, the way you get going with this is using the link in the description, and then obviously going to the create an account section. Here, we're going to enter our name, our email, our password, and our company if we have one. We then select email. We can then select from email, Telegram, or WhatsApp for a contact method, and we can also select what we're using this for as well. And once we're happy with this, we simply press the register button. From that point, we can go ahead and log in. Now, before we dive into the dashboard, we can actually see that yes, we are going to need to confirm the email. So open up your email and just simply press verify email once you find it. Then you can log in and you can see here we are on the dashboard. So on the dashboard, we can see our mobile proxies here for your plans, in which we can see our usage, which we can switch between gigabyte or megabyte. And we can see our proxy access here on the left. Now, when it comes to configuring a proxy here, it's super easy to do. You can pick which country that you want it in. So let's say we wanted to go in Australia, we can click that. And we can also exclude countries as well here. So we could go ahead and exclude, say, the Philippines. And then basically we can search for a proxy and Philippines proxies will not show up. We can also adjust our rotation interval as well, which will basically mean that your IP is rotated after a certain amount of time. And then at the bottom here, we can see we can go with rotating or sticky and HTTP. And we can also choose the protocol here as well if we wish. And then at the bottom, we can see all of the information here based on the proxies we have configured. Now, why is this useful? Well, let's say I wanted to access a geo-restricted country for something like trading, then I could use this proxy from another country and actually easily access those websites. Now, when it comes to things like scaling a business or scraping information online, this is also a great way around that because social media websites will typically block your IP if you do those types of things. So using a proxy easily gets you around that because your IP is rotating. And of course, the IP can be from any geolocation you choose. Guys, this video is sponsored by PrimeLink. Now, PrimeLink is definitely something you should be using because you get backlinks, you get QR codes, you get analytics, and much more. So definitely check out PrimeLink in the description. Let's get back to the video. Now, when it comes to credibility and legitimacy of this platform, you can see these guys have gleaming reviews on some of the top review sites. We have Trustpilot here, we have reviews.io, and we have Product Hunt. Let's go over to reviews.io, and here we can see they have a 4.8 rating with 151 different reviews. And here we can see from a verified reviewer, Proxy For You gave me stable residential IPs that worked exactly the way I needed. My projects were much easier to manage. And that's just one of the many ridiculously good reviews here that are being shown. And that's just one of the many ridiculously good reviews on reviews.io for Proxy For You. Now, there are many different proxy services out there, but Proxy For You definitely shines for me because of its prices, because of its large IP pool, flexible pricing, clean and non-blacklisted IPs, and its super easy to use dashboard. This is by far the cheapest on the market and the best value for money. And if you do want to check this out, definitely head to the description. A couple tips for you guys as well. Always use sticky sessions for the best results. A couple tips for you guys as well. Always use sticky sessions for login and account automation. Always use rotating IPs if you are scraping data. And of course, monitor your usage regularly. Now, the pricing for this is super cheap and really transparent. Residential is $1.5 on pay-as-you-go. Data center proxies are $1, and of course, mobile proxies are $2.5. But if you did just want to try this out for free, these guys do let you just sign up and give you some data for free so you can test it out. So I definitely recommend doing that. If you do want to try it, you can use the free trial. The link will be in the description. And of course, don't forget to like the video, comment with any questions you guys have, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. But be sure to start your free trial today on Proxy For You, because honestly guys, this is the best proxy service out there at the best prices. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.